Hey, since it is the hind brake, we need to release the brake cable. Let's do it. Right. It is here. We need to turn this. We need to turn this nut. So it is a head. Right. Okay. Right. Next, what do we do? This is the parking brake cable. Don't spray it with WD-40 because WD-40 attracts water. Use nice lubricant instead, or don't use anything if you don't have nice lubricant. But I do have it. Okay, spray it a little. Next, we need to turn off the caliper pins. This one and this one. Alright, doesn't go. Alright, it goes. We need to put some WD here and there so that the pins would go easier. Okay, let me try the other one. It doesn't go. It doesn't go. More WD-40 probably, and here because the thread is there. Yeah, here. It's more important here, right? Because the thread is there. Alright. What do we see? Let us try it again. And don't confuse the direction. Up here. It doesn't go, you know. Let's apply more WD-40. But we'll need to wait a little after this, right? But let's try it now. All the way there. It's not going. It is bad. It's not going. It's real bad. What? Got it. Nice. WD-40 works. Thank you, WD-40, and your inventors and your manufacturers. Let's turn those pins off. It goes. Nice. Okay. And here it is. And this one. The same. Okay. Nice. This is good. Got it. And this one. A little more. I need to push it. We need to remove this caliper. We can't remove this thing. I don't know its name in English. I hope it won't break. It's so old. Just put it here. It broke. It broke, you see. It's not good. Because I will never remove it from there. This is bad. Should have been more careful with this. Yeah, this is bad. But it is what it is. I can't undo it now. It doesn't go. It's stuck. It's stuck there. This caliper is stuck there. doesn't go. It should just go. This is not good. Maybe we can remove the bracket first, and then the caliper will remove. What do you think? I don't know. Let's try it. I'm not sure if it will help. Maybe it will not help. It's stuck there. It is stuck because the rotor has this edge here, and it is very big. Oh, I don't know what to do, guys. It's so bad. What if we remove the bracket? Let's try to remove the bracket, and what's then? Maybe it will help. Let's remove the bracket. I am thinking about, what about I weld this thing to there, huh? Not now, because my welding machine is not here, but I can consider welding it. It is broken, I welded there. I don't know what metal it is, welding exactly to this broken part. It may be possible. I don't know. Okay, let us try and remove the bracket first. Maybe when we remove the bracket, we will remove the caliper, but I'm not sure. I understand that you cannot see it, but maybe I'll try and show it to you. You see? Probably you see it now, right? That bolt. Okay, let's try and turn it. Just like I thought. It's not going. Let's apply some WD-40 there. Maybe it will help a little. And we have another one there. It is there. I understand that you can see. I can see it. I can't see it either, but I feel it. Alright, let me try and turn this one. It's so loose. 19 is so loose. It's very loose. Maybe 17 will fit. No, it doesn't fit at all. But there is no 18 number at all, right? Does 18 number exist? Oh, 18, guys. It can be 18. Yeah, I have it. Because I feel that it is not 19. Yes, it is 18. I have this head for this. I think I bought it some time ago and I just forgot about it. It was years ago. Okay, let's try it with number 18. It doesn't go. Just a moment. Oh my god, guys, I am turning it the wrong direction and I moved it a little. it goes now. But I was turning it the wrong direction. I was tightening it. Imagine this, and I tightened it a little. Even though it is old and rusty, I tightened it a little. Imagine. And I need to apply some more WD to the other one. Yeah. WD-40 to be exact. Don't see it. Maybe I'll see it from here.